This is our technical video. There's an animation once you open the app. I'm going to start with emergency. This shows our emergency shortcut feature. So let's say this was your lock screen, you have a shortcut to our app. The first button is I need a defibrillator, which leads you to our defibrillator locator, which I'll go through later. Second button is how do I use a defibrillator, which leads you to instructions about how to use a defibrillator with illustrations and simple steps. And if you need to perform CPR, we have simple instructions for adults, babies, and children. I will quickly walk you through all of them. We got around 7 people to try out our app. They gave us tremendous feedback. For example, before the app was tested out, we didn't have 2 sections to our app like we do right now, which are emergency and non-emergency. We got advised to separate the 2 sections to simplify the app and make it easier to use during an emergency. So you wouldn't want to accidentally press our education button and start learning about heart conditions when you're trying to save someone's life. So obviously that was very valuable information that is now implemented into our app. There are instructions on what to do if you're having an emergency, but you don't know what to do or which one it is. We have simple instructions on how to do the Heimlich maneuver. And lastly, a button that leads you to our emergency profile. That concludes the emergency part of our app. If we go back and press non-emergency, you are led to our login sign-up screen. So just enter your details. So I'm just using this as an example. It's obviously not my real information. This is the home screen. Let's start with the defibrillator locator. This is it. It currently shows all of the defibrillators in Cork. In the future, we do hope to expand to all of Ireland and even all across the globe. Along with this, currently the user will have to manually find the defibrillator nearest to them. This still has proven to be tremendously faster than anything else, but as it is beyond my current coding abilities, in the future we will add a feature that automatically leads you to an innovative GPS that connects to our emergency profile to locate your nearest defibrillator for you in milliseconds. Next thing is our emergency profile. The user fills it out beforehand, and the idea is that pressing the button will instantly send out your information to emergency responders as well as calling them. We hope to contact them to see if in the future they would be willing to connect their database to ours to make this a reality. I've already shown the CPR section of our app. It's the exact same thing as the emergency part of our app, and same for the Heimlich maneuver. Lastly, our education feature plays a big role in our app. We have loads of information about heart-related topics. I will quickly scan through them. We have 10 heart conditions covered in our app currently, along with symptoms of all of them. I will just quickly scan through them. We understand that the Heimlich maneuver isn't heart-related, but after thorough research, we found that many people don't know the difference between CPR and the Heimlich maneuver. So we have educated users how to perform both of them, what they are, and the difference between them for good measure. We do hope to add a lot more heart conditions and a lot more topics into our app, but for now we have just settled for 15 topics. I will walk you through how I coded the education part of our app. The coding itself is actually very simple. All I really had to do was code that each button leads to the corresponding screen. The main part that proved to be challenging was gathering information and making buttons and screens and whatnot. If you see with our defibrillator locator, there's actually very little coding involved again. It's not just the buttons on the screen. Despite this, I would say that the defibrillator locator took definitely the most time out of everything. I used a website called rescue.ie to locate all of the defibrillators to very accurately place them where they should be with these markers. And as you can see, there is 150, so that definitely proved to be time consuming for me.